Hey and welcome back to the Jazzy Nation. So in today's video, I am sharing something really exciting with you all. As you all know, I recently moved from Morocco about a few months ago or so, and I've been in this transition phase for quite some time now. I was in Morocco, then in the States with my family, then we went to Florida, then we were in the Virginia/DC area, and then in London, and now we are somewhere completely new. We are finally home. We have a new home away from home, and yeah, it's just so nice to finally be able to talk about it. I know that some of you have made some guesses here and there, and I have not told you definitively if you were correct or incorrect. I probably have been annoying by saying you're getting hotter or you're really cold, but nonetheless, you have been guessing, you have been anticipating, and you've been rocking with me through this journey, and I'm so happy. I know exactly what you're thinking. Jasmine, you have been beating around the bush too long. Share the tea. Where the heck are you? I have moved to... can't do this. I can't... How do you do this? Oh, this was a lie. We'll just go ahead and pour that out. Oh gosh. Okay, here we go. I am in India. So you're probably wondering what the heck is happening to the Jazzy Nation. And to be honest with you, I don't know. I really want to focus this content on what you all want to see. So please constantly tell me what you want to see, what you want to see me do, where you want to see me go. I gave you clues, by the way. So for those of you that just were not paying attention, you would have known this sooner if you looked at my Instagram stories and my Instagram photos and videos and all those different things. I literally would put like that I was in India. There's so much that I can't wait to share with you all. Be on the lookout for those videos. I'm just going to plan to push out as much content as I can and as much content as you all want to see. So let me know again what you want to see. Of course, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot of really cool stuff on the Jazzy Nation and you don't want to miss out on a future upload. I think that's it. I'm going to clean up this confetti because I definitely made a mess, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Mwah. Bye guys.